Hello everyone. Today in this video we will be starting with the new concept of quadrilaterals of exercise 10.2. So now what are the quadrilaterals? Quadrilateral is a simple closed figure which is bounded by the four line segments. If you will see this figure, you can see that this is a closed figure in which four line segments are being used. So when the word you will see this quad means four. When I'm going to use four, that means four line segments, and quadrilateral means a polygon which is having four line segments. So this is the quadrilateral. Now on the basis of this, we are going to have certain questions of exercise 10.2. Now the first question is, in the first question, the figure has been given to you. This is the figure which has been given to you, and you have to identify all the triangles of this figure. And in each triangle, you have to name the angle along with the side. Okay. So now let us see the solution of this. Identify all the triangles in this figure has been given. Now what you are going to do here is, you are going to make this column like this. Okay. Now when you are going to make this column, in this column you will see three columns are there. The first is name of the triangle, the second is sides, and the third is of the angles. In this figure, firstly you will see you are going to name the triangle. So this is the triangle ABE, AEB, or you can name it as ABE, or you can name it as EAB. Any triangle name you can give. Now when you have given the name of the triangle, in this triangle you are going to see which are the sides of this triangle. Which are the sides of this triangle? AB, BE and AE. So these are the sides. I have written here the sides. And then you have to tell, in the third column you have to tell which angles are there. So the angles will be, if I am counting this angle, I am going to place this angle A in the middle. This EAB. So this means EAB. That means I am talking about this angle. The angle which will be in the middle, that angle I will be talking about. Next is ABE. That means I am talking about this angle. I can also name it as EBA. That does not matter. I'm starting from here or from here, but the middle angle, if it is B, that means I'm talking about this angle. So the next is ABE, and the next is AEB, in which the middle angle is E. So that means I'm talking about angle E. Right? Now this was one triangle. Let us see to the next. EBC. Now this is the next triangle. So if you will see in this, EBC is the second triangle. Now which are the sides in this? You will see EB, BC and EC. These are the sides of this triangle. And what will be the name of the angle? Name of the angles are written here: EBC, BCE and BEC. EBC, BCE and BEC. So these are the names of the angles. Okay. Now the third one. This is also the triangle. Now what is the name of this triangle? Triangle EDC. So this is the name of the triangle. Now in this triangle you have to name the sides. What are the sides of this? EC, CD and ED. And what will be the angles in this triangle? CED, EDC, ECD. These are the angles of this triangle. Okay. So you will see that there are three triangles in this figure, but no, there are four triangles in this figure. If you will see clearly, if I'm going to remove this bigger triangle is also being formed. This big triangle is also being formed. So triangle AEC is also formed. And what will be the side of this? The side of this will be AE, EC and AC. So these are the sides. And what will be the angles of this? Angles of this are going to be AEC. This complete I am going to count now. AEC, ECA, EAC. So these are the angles of this triangle. So you can see this question number 1. You can pause the video to note it down. So this is your question number 1. That's how you have to do it. Now let's move to question number 2. In question number 2, you have to tell the points which are on the boundary, in the interior and in the exterior. Now firstly, you're going to understand what it is. When I'm going to talk about the interior points, Interior points means the points which are inside the triangle. Now this is a triangle. The name of the triangle is ABC. This is the name of the triangle. Points are always given with this dot, along with this dot. Wherever the dots are there, that point you are going to consider. Now, if I am going to talk what are the interior points, the points which lie inside the triangle. Inside, this is the complete triangle. The points which lie inside the triangle, those are the interior points. The points which lie outside the triangle are called as the exterior points. Okay, for example, T, this T is outside this. Q, this is outside. X, this is also outside. The points on the triangle, on the boundary. Now this is the boundary. This is the boundary. Okay, so these are the points which are on the triangle. Which are the points? V, Q, U. You are not supposed to take A, B, C because along with this dot is not given. A, B, C is the name of the triangle. Okay, ABC is the name of the triangle. The points which are on the boundary or on the triangle are V, R and U. So that's how we have written it here. Which are the points on the triangle, which are the points interior, and which are the points in the exterior. Which are the points on the triangle? V, R, U. Which are the points inside the triangle? P and S. Only 2 points are there which are in the interior of the triangle. And the third is which are the points in the exterior. Exterior means outside. T, Q, X. So these are the points T, Q and X. And this was your question number 2. In which you just have to tell interior, exterior and on the boundary. Now let's move to question number 3. Question number 3 is, again, now this is a quadrilateral given to you, and in this you have to tell the points which are in the interior, exterior and on the boundary of the quadrilateral. The same way as we have done up in the triangle, the same way we are going to do in the quadrilateral also. Okay, now in the quadrilateral, if you will see the points which are in the interior, which are the points X, Y and Z. You are not going to consider P, Q, R, S because P, Q, R, S is the name. P, Q, R and S is the name of the quadrilateral. The points you have to consider will be with this decimal, this point. Now the interior points will be which are inside the quadrilateral. So X, Y and Z. The points which are exterior. Exterior means which are outside. K, N and L. So these are the points which are outside. And which are the points on the boundary of the quadrilateral? On this boundary, D, A, B and C. So these are the points which are on the boundary of the quadrilateral. Okay, so this was your question number 2. Question number 2 and 3 was on the concept of interior, exterior and on the boundary. Okay, you can pause the video to note it down. Now the next is question number 4. What is question number 4? You have to write the opposite angles and adjacent angles of the quadrilateral WXYZ. Now WXYZ is the name of the quadrilateral given. You have to tell in this quadrilateral which are the opposite angles and you have to tell the adjacent angles. In this we will be talking about the angles. Opposite means these two are opposite, facing each other. Opposite means which are facing each other. If this is Z, the opposite of this Z is angle X. If this is W, the opposite of this will be Y. So you have to write the pairs of the opposite angles. The pair of opposite angles is W and Y, X and Z. And you have to take the notation of the angle which is written like this. Angle. This is named as an angle Y, angle W, angle Z, angle X. Right? Now next is adjacent angles. Adjacent means neighbor. Okay, if W is there, which is the neighbor angle of W? X. Which is the neighbor angle of W? Z. So the pair of the adjacent angles will be W, angle W and angle Z. So I have written here angle W and angle Z. Angle Z and angle Y. These are also the adjacent pairs. Angle Z and angle Y. Y and X are also neighbors. So I can write angle Y and angle Z, angle X. And this also angle W and angle X. So they are also the neighbors and this is your question number 4. So this was your complete exercise 10.2. All the 4 questions you have to do in the notebook. Thank you.